really just did that for you. Sometimes I'm gonna take you to where the lighting is like better. I don't know why I'm so giggly right now. I think it's because I haven't had any human interaction for like the past 2 days or something, so I'm just super hyper. Oh my god, this guy has a puppy. Oh, and he's fucking... I need to get gas. I want to say I'm sorry for not having like a consistent upload schedule. I told myself, I was like, I want to be a YouTuber, like that's so fun. In like reality, I can't really express myself to like people. Like, I find it like doing it to like my phone is like it works for me, like it just works. God, I'm ugly. But anyways, we've been driving around in circles. I think I should finally go where I'm supposed to go, which is my local CVS. Okay, first of all, I want to address the situation on my hair. What the fuck? I hate my hair. It's like 3 different colors. 3 different colors. I'm gonna go back to like blonde or whatever. I feel like parking and talking because like this is so distracting to me. Why don't I go to like the destination and park there? I didn't like want to sit down and have you watch me do my makeup again because how many times have you watched me like do that, right? I want to like do something new. Yeah, so you're gonna watch me attempt to dye my hair. And I know what you're thinking. You're like, okay, you're gonna dye your hair blonde, but you're kind of blonde, but like I'm not. I don't understand. Outfit? Oh, shh. Oh! Okay, at this point, I'm just procrastinating, okay. Guess what? I did it. I just want to say the lady at the cashier was so nice, but I have anxiety, so it came off as rude. She said she liked my makeup and I was just like, thanks, and I looked away really quick and like I didn't mean to, and like it was super awkward, and like I really like, and she was just really nice. Now we can go home and start this. Oh my god, I broke it. We're home. I realized how energetic I was, and that's not okay. The cramps are kicking in, which is making me feel sad, and I'm still gonna do this. So we have our hair dye. My cramps. Oh! What is this? Oh! How long has that been there for? I have a knot the size of God. Ow, ow. First, I should probably change my shirt to a shirt I don't care about. I'm not showing you how to dye your hair because I don't want you to like take this from me because I can't dye hair. So this is not going to be a tutorial. So if you came here for a tutorial, it seems pretty simple. I bought a brand that I don't usually dye my hair with. I just picked the girl that had the blondest hair and I was like, let's go for it. Not gonna lie, usually when I dye my hair, I don't wear a shirt like at all. Who am I talking to? Use a bag, but don't use a bag. But if you have to use a bag, then use a bag, you know? You know? Yeah. Shake it, and that's it. I'm just having the worst cramp. It just feels like someone's fucking stabbing me in my stomach. Since I still have purple in my hair, this just might make my hair gray. So there's no technique for this. But I need most of it back here. Oh my god. I'm burning my eyes. What if my hair falls out? It's happening. It's turning gray. Love that. Sissy. Oh, I got bleach on my phone screen. Oh shit. This shirt is fucked. Looking like a thumb. I think I got it all. With you, does that make sense? My treasure chest. So I showered. I don't know why, but it's not looking too much lighter, which is like really disappointing, but it's still like kind of wet. My towel's falling off. I'll show you when it's dry. This is how it came out. It's not as blonde as I wanted it to. The purple's still in the back. My roots are like orange. It's weird. It's like white. Wow. I don't know. It's like a green undertone since I had the purple. So it's like a, I couldn't tell you, honestly. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry, like my hair does not look that good, and I'm sorry. I'm kind of a wreck, like a big wreck. I'm gonna give myself a headache.